എങ്ങനെയാണ് സബ്ടെക്സ്ച്വലായിട്ട് വികസിക്കുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളതിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു ക്രിയാപരതയിൽ താല്പര്യത്തോടുകൂടി ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരുന്നു.
കവിതയിലും ജീവിതത്തിലും ദേശാതിർത്തികളെ ഭേദിച്ച് സഞ്ചരിച്ച അയ്യപ്പപ്പണിക്കർ അമേരിക്കയിലും ഫ്രാൻസിലും ക്യൂബയിലുമെല്ലാം തൻ്റെ കുട്ടനാടിനെ കൂടെ കൊണ്ടുപോയി.
The local is the felt reality. The global is only virtual. The latter is an abstraction, at one remove, hence not of the present, but distant. It has no immediacy. This is especially true of cultural matters, since culture is not the superstructure, but the base of civilization itself.
For outer world, he is very, what you say that you never want to mix anyone, you keep him away. And inner side, he was so close, so nice, trying to solve your problem, small problem.
I found a great friend and a mentor. And then there was something else which I think was very unusual about him. His imagination had an epic scope, and that is not so common.
He was a village boy always in his heart. He never forgot Kovalam. He was actually pure village boy. So when he has gone to America, he could not accept in the starting, and then he was very painful. It was very painful for him. He was pure vegetarian. So to eat that food which he never liked, which didn't belong to him, how to make it intimate? So the food he is resembling with his beloved. So that's how, that is the thing. So, another thing, like first poem itself, she the Atitheya word is there. The Atitheya is the girl Sandhya. Her name was Colleen, and he recalled from his memory, and he told me that when he met to Colleen, actually Colleen was working in the same university where he has gone, and Colleen said that, are you Indian? We think that Indians are in America. Some period between 2002 and this was 2 months. He was very upset because of so many things, and in his own life, his own family, and same time he was not able to make him as free he wanted to be. He was a free soul. He was not for a family life, but which he was taking care very well. But there he was realizing that he is somewhere away from his goal. He is not able to do, he is not able to achieve. He has lost so many, he had so personal losses, and he was very much hurt.
എനിക്കാവതില്ലേ പൂക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ, എനിക്കാവതില്ലേ കണിക്കൊന്നയല്ലേ, വിഷുക്കാലമല്ലേ പൂക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ, എനിക്കാവതില്ലേ. വിഷുക്കാലമെത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഉറക്കത്തിൽ ഞാൻ ഞെട്ടി തരിക്കും. ഇരുൾ തൊപ്പി പൊക്കി പതുക്കെ പ്രഭാതം ചിരിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കും. എനിക്കാവതില്ലേ പൂക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ, എനിക്കാവതില്ലേ. ഇരുൾ തൊപ്പി പൊക്കി പതുക്കെ പ്രഭാതം ചിരിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കും. എനിക്കാവതില്ലേ പൂക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ, എനിക്കാവതില്ലേ.